Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through how you can use only AI tools within Wix to build a sleek, functional website, all in just a few simple steps. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the process of designing a website, or maybe you're curious about how much AI can really do for you, stick around. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create a personal profile site with an AI assistant, customized for gaming, and ready to showcase your own video walkthroughs. So let's jump right in. The first thing you'll want to do is log into Wix. If you haven't got an account yet, don't worry, it's quick and free to set up. Just follow the prompts, and once you're in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. This is your launchpad. From here, you've got access to all the tools Wix has to offer. Up at the top left of your dashboard, you'll see a drop-down menu. Go ahead and click on that. It's easy to overlook but super important, because this is where you'll manage all your sites. Think of it as your website control center. From the drop-down, choose Create New Site. This starts the entire creation process from scratch, so you know everything you build is brand new. Right after that, look for the option to Start Chat. Click it, and you'll be introduced to Wix's AI Site Assistant. Don't be shy here. The chat is where the magic happens. You'll be speaking directly to the AI, and this is where you get to set the stage for your entire website. It's a bit like telling a really skilled friend exactly what you want and letting them handle the technical stuff. When the chat opens, type in, "I want to make a personal profile website." This tells the AI exactly what type of site you're aiming for. Something that highlights you, your skills, your interests, and anything else that's important to share. By specifying a personal profile, Wix's AI begins to structure the site around showcasing you, whether for business, gaming, or any creative endeavor. Next, simply type Caro. This part might feel a bit mysterious at first, but Caro is actually a clever way to brand or personalize your site. If Caro is your online handle or alias, this step tells the AI to center the site around that identity, helping visitors immediately connect your website to the name they know you by. After you've set your name, let the AI know your site is about gaming. This is where things get fun. The AI will start pulling in layout ideas, design elements, and even content suggestions that reflect the gaming theme. Maybe it's bold colors, dynamic backgrounds, or sections for your favorite games. You can think of this like choosing a theme for a party. Telling the AI what you're about means your site will feel just right for the audience you want to reach. Finally, type in Providing Video Walkthrough. Let the AI know that you want your website to feature video walkthroughs. Maybe it's guides, tips, or your own playthroughs. This detail helps Wix build in sections where you can easily upload, organize, and show off your content. The AI's job is to make your videos front and center, so viewers immediately see your expertise. Once you've finished chatting and the AI has sketched out your new profile site, you'll be taken to the dashboard. Take a moment here to review what's been created. The AI does a fantastic job setting you up with a structure. From here, you can customize even further, but honestly, most of the heavy lifting is already done. And that's it. Your gaming profile website is live thanks to Wix's powerful AI tools. You didn't need to write any code, spend hours dragging things around, or get stuck fiddling with complex settings. It's all handled for you, so if you found this walkthrough helpful, hit that like button, leave a comment if you've got any questions about the process, or if you want tips for customizing your site even more. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.